In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keepa for online arbitrage. So I have a product pulled up here that I sold at the end of December, and we're going to scroll down to the Keepa widget here, check out the Keepa graph, and show you the things that are most important for online arbitrage. Now there's three things that you really want to look at: the price, the sales rank, and the sellers. Those are the three most important things for getting the data out of the Keepa chart that you want to make an informed buying decision. So first, the price. The price, you can click on the new purplish blue dot and the pink buy box. If there isn't a pink line in the chart, it means that at that time there was no buy box. There hasn't been a buy box, and that means that on the right, if you wanted to buy this, you would have to click in to see all buying options and see the buying options and add it to the cart manually. You couldn't just click the buy it now button that is typically there. That is the buy box. So when looking at the price, we want to see, has it remained consistent? What has the price been doing? Where is the price now? Where was it 30 days ago? Now it's helpful to hover over the new and the buy box, and you can do this for any of the other data points as well. Hover over and see what the average has been. So for new price, the 90-day average has been $15.27. 180 days average has been $16.29. Now, right now, this is basically the lowest the price has been. So considering that you can buy it low enough to be profitable at this $13.79 number, factoring in only the price and that this is the lowest it has been, it could be worth it, knowing that the price will probably only go up to this $15.50 or this $17. Now the next thing that you want to factor in is the sales rank. Is this item even selling? How fast is it selling? To look at that, we look at the sales rank data point, which is this green line, and this is the heartbeat of the listing. What we want to use is either the 30, the 90, or the 180-day average for the sales rank. To find this, what we can do, and to find other useful information, click on the data tab. Over in this right hand column, we can see sales rank 30-day average, 60-day, 90-day, 180-day average. We can see that it's sort of been this 29,000 rank in grocery and gourmet food. So what we can do is we can open a tab and we can go to Amazon Scout Sales Estimator or Jungle Scout Sales Estimator. Make sure you're jumping into grocery and gourmet food and putting in your average sales rank. It's saying 246 sales per month if it's ranked 29,000 in grocery and gourmet food. What you want to do then is go back and look at the very bottom and see how many sellers are on the listing. Currently there's 30. So if we take this 246 divided by 30, we get 8.2. So we could potentially sell 8 of these per month. Now, I don't think all of these sellers, 30 sellers, are competitive. What I also like to do is jump into the data, go into buy box statistics, and see who is getting the buy box. In this case, since there isn't a buy box because we saw that there wasn't a pink line going all throughout this, what you want to do is jump into the buying options and see where people are at and see who's priced high, who's priced low, and really who's competitive. This guy, $24, he's probably not going to get any of these sales. It's really these people who are Amazon Prime and who are priced more towards this $14 mark. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then people start jumping up. 5, 6. So there's really only 6. So I would even take that 246 and say, okay, maybe it's not 6. Let's double it and say it's 12. Then you're selling 20 a month. If you could theoretically buy this for $5 or $6 and sell it for this $13.79, it would be a decent buy. The more products you get like this, the more that adds up, the more products are snowballing. You're getting more and more. And after you have, a few dozen products out there, you're making a healthy profit every month. So real quick is another example. Here's this foam ball thing that I was selling at Christmas time. We can see the pink buy box line. The price has gone down, and it's drastically gone down when this orange stuff is on the graph. And this orange stuff is Amazon on the listing. See, we can click on Amazon, click on the dot, it goes away. This is Amazon on the listing offering the product. If you see Amazon on the listing where it's just orange all the way across here, you want to stay away because Amazon rarely shares the buy box. So if they're on that listing, they're not going to cut you into the sales. So we have the pink buy box line. We have the new price line, and it's just going down and down and down. And then Amazon's on the listing. So this is something you'd want to stay away from. You wouldn't want to buy this right now. And down at the bottom, we can see the sellers here as well. So that's what you want to focus on when you're looking at using a Keepa for online arbitrage. If you found this helpful and you want to watch me manually source some online arbitrage from websites like Walmart, Target, Walgreens, check out this next video. I think you'll really like it.